What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable waiting room in Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, then in the search bar, type in Meet or Google Meet. So you will be redirected to this official web page of Google Meet. Now here, just simply click on New Meeting. If you want to create a meeting for later, create it for later, or you can even schedule it in the Google Calendar. For now, to show you how to enable the waiting room, I am starting an instant meeting. After coming into the meeting, on your right side corner, you can see this option of host controls. Click on this option, and when you scroll a bit down, you will see the meeting access type. And here are two options, open and trusted. Make sure the option is opted for trusted only. Then and only then you will be able to enable the waiting room in Google Meet. But if you keep it open, anyone can join your meeting without your permission. But if you keep it on trusted, when someone joins, it will show you a pop-up of their profile that they want to join. If you want to admit them or not, that is up to you. So after your permission only, they can enter in the meeting. So just make sure to keep this option to trusted, and then you will be able to enable the waiting room in Google Meet. But remember, for those members whom you send the link can join seamlessly and effortlessly, but if anyone else is joining, they will be asked to wait in a virtual room on Google Meet, and you can then either take them in the meeting or not. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching.